This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open the BMW X2 hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your vehicle. It's usually found in the driver's side footwell, often near the door sill or below the dashboard. This lever is typically black and might have a small hood icon on it. For the BMW X2, you need to pull this lever twice. You should hear two separate popping sounds as the primary latch releases. Once you've pulled the interior release lever twice, proceed to the front of your BMW X2. The hood will be slightly ajar. Now, you need to find the secondary safety latch. This is typically located in the center of the hood, just above the BMW emblem. Reach your hand under the hood's edge and feel for a small lever. Push this lever to the side, usually towards the driver's side, to fully disengage the hood. With both latches released, you can now gently lift the hood of your BMW X2. It should open smoothly. Next, locate the hood prop rod. This rod is usually found clipped to the underside of the hood or along the engine bay. Carefully unclip it and insert its end into the designated hole or slot to securely prop the hood open. Always ensure the hood is stable before you begin any inspections or maintenance. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its support hole and securely clip it back into its storage position. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 10 to 12 inches from being fully closed. From this height, release the hood, allowing its own weight to pull it down and securely latch it. Always double-check that the hood is fully closed and latched before driving your BMW X2. For more helpful tips and other great deals, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.